Let's try Ustrasana position. We'll try to dangle the arms in the air this time since we don't have the blocks to track. So inhale, come up onto the knees. A long, deep breath in, expand, expand, expand. And then exhale, dangle the fingers until the fingertips touch the heels. Then walk down, heel to the hands, to the feet, chest up, and stay. 1, 2, keep lifting and expanding the chest. 3, 4, and 5. Come up onto the fingertips, push the chest forward, and then exhale, gently down. Now I would like you to grab onto the straps. Put them on like suspenders so that you can feel a pull right over the shoulders, all right? Press down and make sure you're nicely tied up. And we're going to use the straps to help deepen our Ustrasana position. Get a nice arch position in the spine. Inhale, come up. Put the straps on like suspenders. All right, you're going to use this as a counterbalance. So I want you to pull and then come forward. Pull, come forward with the chest. And then pull, dropping the head back. Walk your hands closer to your shoulders. Continue to pull. Little bit up, continue to pull. Little bit up, continue to pull. And hold and stay for 2, 3, continue to pull. 4, 5, track it all the way up. And then exhale, release the straps. Hands to the knees, rest just for a moment.